A stunning and unique custom home with 4 bedrooms, 4 washrooms, and a stately presence on a prestigious street within Pickering's sought-after Dunbarton community. Welcome to 1922 Bonita Avenue. Its outstanding curb appeal is fully imagined with extensive stone landscaping, perennials, a front terrace and covered porch, as well as a grand stone portico. And through the entry door is a spacious foyer featuring upgraded floor tiles and a double closet with an automatic light, while the half-wall entry to the main level is graced with stone ledges and decor columns. An entertainer's delight both inside and out, this home has just over 3,400 square feet of stunning living space, with the split main level showcasing hardwood flooring, pot lighting, ceiling speakers, crown moldings, generously sized principal rooms beginning with a formal living room that overlooks the front terrace and gardens, as well as huge windows throughout that allow for an abundance of natural lighting, enhancing the spacious open layout of this level. An exceptional space for entertaining, the family room can accommodate multiple seating and conversation areas. The south and east-facing windows are complete with light diffusing shades, as are many of the windows in this home. And the entertaining easily extends to the outdoors with its adjacency to the kitchen area and its garden door walkout. The stunning kitchen and dining room have a soaring vaulted ceiling, beautiful pendant lighting, and an exquisite chandelier, while the crown moldings have recessed accent lighting, and an arched south-facing window enhances the grandeur of these entertaining spaces. The custom gourmet kitchen showcases quartz counters, stone backsplashes, a stainless steel double sink with a built-in compost bin next to it, and a stainless steel range with a 5-burner gas cooktop, griddle, barbecue grill, and dual ovens, as well as a built-in espresso machine, microwave, and bar fridge. The cabinetry has exceptional storage, glass-paneled accent doors, as well as interior and undermount accent lighting. The huge center island has breakfast seating and a prep sink, and completing this incredible space, a fridge with dual freezer drawers and a built-in dishwasher, both paneled to seamlessly blend with the cabinetry. Off the kitchen is a laundry and mudroom with a quartz top bench seat, a front-load washer and dryer, quartz counters and a mosaic glass backsplash, a stainless steel farmhouse sink, incredible cabinetry storage that includes a double closet, and this room also provides access to both the double-car garage as well as to a side walkway leading to the front and backyards. Off the family room are stairs to another fantastic living and entertaining space, the lower level's finished recreation area, which has a warm and relaxing atmosphere, a brick feature wall, as well as a cedar storage closet. While off the dining room is the garden door walkout to the backyard oasis, opening onto a 2-tiered interlocking stone patio that is partially covered by a canopy with hurricane-style wrought iron light fixtures and pot lighting. The fully fenced backyard is surrounded by evergreens year-round, with seasonal shade trees providing privacy during the warm weather months. The heated in-ground pool is surrounded by a new patterned concrete deck and has a new pool cover and thermal blanket. And this gorgeous summertime retreat also features maintenance-free rock landscaping and 2 storage sheds. A wonderful convenience after a day of poolside enjoyment is the main level's 3-piece washroom, showcasing a pocket door entry, a floating vanity with a vessel basin, a stone-tiled feature wall and shower walls, with the shower area also having a partial glass wall and rainfall and handheld showers, as well as a separate toiletry and linen cabinet with a seat. All the stairs have the timeless finish of hardwood treads with white risers, the staircase to the mid and upper levels having a hardwood railing with white spindles, and with both of these levels also showcasing hardwood flooring, pot lighting, and crown moldings. At mid-level is the sun-washed master suite. This gorgeous retreat showcases a soaring vaulted ceiling with a contemporary chandelier, ceiling speakers, a spacious sitting area, and a papered feature wall, as well as a walk-in closet newly updated with custom organizers. Its stunning ensuite washroom has a pocket door entry and a vaulted ceiling, and has been beautifully appointed with stone-tiled walls and mosaic accents, a jetted tub with a handheld shower, a glass shower with body jets and a rainfall shower head, as well as a floating vanity with a quartz counter and sconce lighting. The 2 washrooms on the upper level also showcase stunning appointments, with the 4-piece common-use washroom finished with marble floor and wall tiles, including a wall niche with a mosaic inlay, a bath area with soaker tub and rain and handheld shower heads, as well as a floating vanity with a quartz counter and contemporary sconce lighting. All 3 bedrooms are incredibly spacious and have large windows for abundant natural brightness, with the 3rd bedroom featuring a contemporary semi-flush ceiling light, as well as a walk-in closet that also has access to a loft storage space. This level additionally features a spacious flex room with a tiled floor, new cabinets, and rough-ins for a front-load washer and dryer, making it an ideal second laundry room with linen and household storage. And directly across from this room is the 2nd bedroom, which features bedside wall sconces, an elegant ceiling fixture, and a double closet. At the end of the hall is the 2nd master suite. Brightened by a beautiful chandelier, this bedroom has ample space for a sitting area, and its walk-in closet is complete with organizers, while its gorgeous 4-piece ensuite showcases a stone-tiled floor and bath area with mosaic glass accents, a soaker tub and rain and handheld shower heads, as well as a vanity with quartz counter and sconce lighting. This home also has many exceptional exterior features, including a stone and stucco exterior with pot lighting, an irrigation system, generator, patterned concrete driveway curbs, patterned concrete and slate walkways to the backyard, rock hardscaping lining the front culvert on both sides, with concrete reinforcing walls to support the driveway, while the full perimeter of the house is completely finished with proper weeping tile and a French drain system to control water flow. Just a short walk to Bonita Park and William Dunbar Public School. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO station, and has easy access to Highway 401, and is also close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.